And make sure you rub it really well on here to get any of that extra glue from there. Okay. So let's get the happy. And check and make sure you don't have anything on here. Otherwise you cannot, it's not going to look pretty. Okay, it's not bad. It's pretty good. So we're going to put happy right on top here. Okay, and birthday's going to go at the bottom. I'm going to try and see if I can manipulate it to where it can go a little bit around the circle. So there's a little bit of glue in that one area. Not bad. I got pretty good stuff this time. Wow. Okay, so that's not bad. Okay. So here's what we got so far. Happy birthday. And then I'm going to put sun at the bottom here. So let's put it through the Xyron. Just like that. It has an arrow in there, the way you're supposed to put it on there. And then you just pull it out from the bottom. I trim my scissors to save a little bit more so I'm not wasting as much. But they do have a little tearing place there. But I just like to do it this way. So we gotta make sure we rub it on there well to get any of that extra glue in the middles. You can use a tool. I tend to do this in the middles. That's why that one I think came out pretty good. So anywhere there's little crannies, make sure to run it through there. And then we just peel it off. And take it off of here. And then I'm just going to put it right in the middle here. Okay. So here's his birthday card. It says, "Happy birthday, son," and then he pulls on it and it says 17. Happy 17th birthday, son. So that's my card for you. I wanted to kind of share with you this new lawn fawn thing that I absolutely love. My kids love playing with it. They were playing and like basically taking pictures like a camera. So it's a lot of fun. You can do anything. This is a guy card for a teenager, but you can do a girly ones. You can do just a flower. You can do mom, anything you like. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Don't forget to subscribe and then visit lilyofthevel77.etsy.com to purchase my cards. If you'd like, I can also make one like this for any number. Since I have all these number combos here, I can do it at 56 or 73 or whatever you need. I can do that, personalize it with a different number if you want one like this. If you have something else custom order, just contact me and we'll go from there, see if I can make it for you. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.